back to our channel. This is our Christmas 2025. And a little bit of surprise. They have us as we're spending Christmas together. We're gonna start our program by performance. So I have this hat, Jalen's hat. Thank you so much. And we're gonna pick who's performing first to last. All right. Pantay-pantay to everyone. Special guest. Oh, of course. Special guest, of course. Kuya Joan's mama. And of course, sponsor ng roast beef. Thank you, Tito Joseph, for the roast beef. Anyway, let's start to bunutin. Okay. Oh, walang daya to ha. Whoever goes first will go first. Oh, sino yon? Nahulog.
Parate. Huwag naman.
Uy! The team, baby! Another one. Perfect.
Team Frankie?
Mr. Frankie! Magkakasunod yung mga magkapamilya, you guys. Okay, to the next one. Last, down to 3, you guys. Down to 3. Who's the third performer? What a feeling! AJ down! Third performer. Last two! Last two! Oh, kapag napunod ko si Mr. Frankie, si Kuya Julian yun ah. I'll just change the name.
Mr. Frankie!
Would it be? Would it be?
Oh, nahulag, nahulag. Yan.
Ano kaya yan? Boss Cheng and the backup!
Yes!
Yes, time to try!
Bahay natin.
Boss Cheng and the backup. Perfect! This is
Na-stress.
Kuya Jewel! Relax.
Okay ba sila?
Alam mo, sa ginawa niyo pag-vlog last Christmas.
And of course, the last one. Save the best for last is what they say. Last performer are the quad dancers. Wow.
Okay.
Okay, let's get this performance going. Let's welcome the baby team. Wow!
Ayan ah!
May nanalo na!
Parang ng bata lang, oh! Ano yung sinayaw si ate doon? Ng bata? Yan, oh! Ay, seryoso, oh! Seryoso na, oh!
Eye contact!
Guys, the part one. Let's the part one.
And that's the baby team for you guys! Now let's take it all the way back to the 50s. Let us all please welcome Mr. Frankie!
Hindi yan nakatingin sa lyrics.
May saan tayo sabihin?
Ay, contact ko na sa
Hindi kami handa eh.
Nasuka ako.
Hindi ako handa.
Ano to? Ba't ka kasama mo? Let's get
Can't touch this.
Ano?
it. Ano to? Kasama mo talaga to?
Kung kanina, we were back to the 50s. Now, let's take it up. And now we're back to the 80s. Let us all welcome the AGD dancers.
When there is nothing but a slow glowing dream that was dreaming deep inside your mind. All alone, silent tears full of pride in the world made of steel, made of stone. Where close my eyes, feel the rhythm, wrap around the edge of my heart. What a feeling, feeling it. I can't have it all, I'm dancing on. And maybe
let's take it back to singing again. Eto na tayo, okay? Lots of expectations going into this group because they came in with a lot of effort, a lot of strong force. Ayan, nagko-coordinate pa sila ng a little bit. Of course, not coordinated by their boss, Boss Cheng. Let us all please welcome the team Boss Cheng with her back on!
Boss Cheng with the slave.
Manager! Manager! Manager!
Manager! Manager! Gagaling ang kapatid ko! Ang lamig ng boses!
Sea of good things that lie. Sea of happy that side. Sing a song, make it away to last all night long. The world is so good enough for anyone else to hear, to sing a song.
Yay!
Sing a song. Make that world sing along. Sing a happy good thing.
Sing a song, make it simple to last.
Si Ate Kita Odes! Si Ate Kita Odes! Mami, si Ate Kita Odes, balik sa ano ha?
Hindi ka tulad si My Way!
Oo, hindi nakatingin ha? Si Mayway nakatingin ha? Hindi kabisado?
Sing a song,
Si Mayway kabisado!
just sing a song.
Go, mga anak. Go.
Yeah! Ang galing naman!
Okay, something different is about to happen, okay? Hindi katulad ng others that were classic. Ibalik natin sa hip-hop, kumbaga. Folk dance. Let us all welcome Lakay!
Ano yun? Play.
Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to?
Stand up! Stand up, everyone! Stand up! Stand up!
Wala ko yan!
Oh, I feel sleepy now.
Crowd impact yan, crowd impact.
As people say, save the best for last. Okay, so we're gonna have a little before and after moment. So please enjoy the show. Please welcome the Cool Dancers! Okay.